Welcome to our Hair Clippers Showdown. Today we're comparing two popular options, the KIKIDO Hair Clippers and the FADEKING Professional Hair Clippers. Both are designed for professional and home use, but they have distinct features that set them apart. Let's dive in and see how they stack up against each other. Let's start with the price. The KIKIDO Hair Clippers are priced at $69, making them a budget-friendly option for those looking for quality without breaking the bank. On the other hand, the FADEKING clippers come in at $74. While slightly more expensive, they offer additional features that may justify the cost for some users. It's essential to consider what you're getting for your money. Next, we have battery life. The KIKIDO clippers boast an impressive 5 hours of runtime on a single charge, which is perfect for extended grooming sessions. In comparison, the FADEKING clippers offer up to 300 minutes of runtime, which translates to 5 hours as well. Both options provide ample battery life, but the KIKIDO's longer charging time of 180 minutes may be a consideration for some users. Finally, let's talk about blade quality. The KIKIDO clippers feature a T-shaped zero-clearance blade that cuts to 0.1 millimeters, providing precision for detailed grooming. In contrast, the FADEKING clippers come with self-sharpening stainless steel blades, which maintain their sharpness over time, ensuring consistent performance. This could be a deciding factor for those who prioritize blade longevity and maintenance. In conclusion, both the KIKIDO and FADEKING hair clippers offer excellent features for their price points. The KIKIDO is a fantastic budget option with a powerful motor and long battery life, while the FADEKING provides premium features like self-sharpening blades and a comprehensive accessory set. We hope this comparison has helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more grooming tips and product comparisons.